In this video, I'm going to show you how to find B2B emails on LinkedIn. So you will see how to find emails for free on LinkedIn and how to find emails in bulk using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So basically, I will cover everything you need to get B2B emails from qualified leads. Let's start. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you is how to find emails for free on LinkedIn. So here I'm currently on LinkedIn, and now if you want to find emails for free, it's very simple. You need to go on your LinkedIn profile. So for example, this one, and then you go here and you click on contact info. And if you are lucky, you will find the email of the lead. Now, if you don't find here an email address, you have one more option. So for example, here when you click on contact info, you see that we don't have any email address. But what you can do in this case is to scroll a little bit. Then here in the About section, you click on See More. And here sometimes you can find an email address. So this one, for example. And unfortunately, if you don't find an email address in the About section and in Contact Info, you won't be able to get the email address for free on LinkedIn. Most of the time, when you go on a LinkedIn profile and you click on Contact Info, you will not find any email address. And same here in About. Yeah, on this profile, we don't have any About section. So for this profile, you can't do that for free on LinkedIn. Now that you know how to manually find some emails for free on LinkedIn, I want to show you how to find emails in bulk using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you just need to go here on top and click on Sales Nav. So basically, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is an access to the LinkedIn database. And if you click on Lead Filters, here on the left, you will find all the filters you can use to find some leads. And on the right part here, you will find people who match your filters. Now let's make a search. So let's say we want to target people who are head of marketing. In a company headcount between 200 to 500 people. We want people based in New York. New York, perfect. And as you can see with this search, I have 162 results. So here, basically, I have 162 leads. And if we check the lead, head of marketing in the US, head of marketing in New York, head of marketing. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Now, if you want to export this list of leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get the verified emails, unfortunately, you can't do that natively on LinkedIn. And that's why you need a tool like GiveMeLeads to export the leads and find the verified emails of your leads. So if you want to try GiveMeLeads, you can click the first link in the description. Then you click on Start for free. You create your account, and then you will be on this page. So now all you need to do is to connect your LinkedIn account. So you click on Connect a LinkedIn account. And now here you just need to enter your credentials. So you enter your email and password, and then you click on Login. The next step is to install the Chrome extension. And basically this Chrome extension allows you to export your leads in just one click from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So you click on Install Extension, then add to Chrome, and then add extension. And now once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will see on LinkedIn Sales Navigator a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are happy with the search and you want to export this list of leads with, of course, the verified emails, all you need to do is to click on Extract Leads, and then you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Then you click on Continue, and then Save and Export. Here I can give the number of leads I want. So let's say for this tutorial 100. And now all I need to do is to click on Export Leads. And as you can see, my export is currently running. I will just rename my export with the filters I used to find my leads. So I target people who are head of marketing in a company headcount between 200 to 500 people. And these people are based in New York. And now all I need to do is to wait a little bit to get my export. All right, so my export is done. So I click on download and then download CSV. So here is my list of leads. So if I scroll, I will see that I have 100 results, which is perfect. And on top, you will find all the informations you have for each lead. So you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, and here you have the verified emails of your leads. So what's interesting is that you have all the emails in bulk and you no longer need to find them manually on LinkedIn. Each email is verified, so it means that it's safe to reach out to these people and it won't hurt your deliverability. And of course, you have much more information in this file. For example, the job title, location. You have some LinkedIn informations like the connection degree, is premium, is open, and the headline. And at the end, you will find some company details. For example, the company website, useful if you want to personalize your outreach, company location, company industry, company employee account, and much more information that you can use. So if you want to find verified emails from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can try GiveMeLeads by clicking the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Sales Navigator to find leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. And now I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye-bye.